There is nothing more inspiring than hearing the story of how someone defied the odds, how they overcame a challenge, and how they persevered. When we as a community come together, we create a community where children don't have to worry where they sleep at night, where parents don't have to worry about the hard decision between buying food or paying rent, where every family can prepare their children to succeed, where every individual has the opportunity to reach the dreams and goals that they once thought were impossible. Many of us have had the opportunity to grow, to achieve, to reach our full potential. And now we as a community need to come together to support our local kids and families so that they have a safe place to grow and achieve their dreams. Our community's kids have big goals, big dreams, goals and dreams as big as this fire truck behind me. They need our help. Their future depends on us. What do you think?
Remember the fire truck. Remember that we as a community can help kids like me achieve our dreams. We all deserve a safe place to sleep at night. When we give together, we can make it happen. With your help, we can be unstoppable. Thank you for living united.